How to unlink WhatsApp from other devices. If you've connected WhatsApp to other devices and want to unlink it, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to unlink WhatsApp from other devices. So let's get started. First, open WhatsApp on your phone. This is the device you want to keep linked to your account. Now go to the settings and simply scroll and find linked devices. This will show you all the devices connected to your WhatsApp account. Here you will see a list of devices currently connected to your WhatsApp account, including WhatsApp web and desktop apps. To unlink a device, simply tap on it and a menu will appear and you'll see the options to log out from that device. Tap log out and confirm it to unlink the device from your WhatsApp account. If you have multiple devices linked, you can repeat the process for each one. And that's it. You've successfully unlinked WhatsApp from all the other devices you no longer want connected.